What's happening, guys? I'm Caden Crooks, and this is my avocado tree. It's about a year old now, from seed that I germinated using the paper towel method, which is one of my favorite methods. I think it works the quickest. Some guys like to do the aquaponic version of it, where you just keep it in water, but I like this version, so I'm gonna show you how. Check this out. Taking a regular avocado from the store, cut it down the center all the way around, and don't dig into the avocado with the knife. Remember, it's living. Don't damage the seed. Give it the best possible start to life that you can. Make sure you pit the avocado. Now, if this was a more mature seed or a bigger seed, the brown skin here could probably peel off easier. Because this was a smaller one, it didn't peel off as easy. The reason being is that skin can sometimes cause a bit of like a mold to grow, and so the paper towel can become like slimy and gross, icky. But to avoid that, you just change paper towel. Every week, you just swap the paper towel, which is fine. Or stick around to the end of the video for a second method. If you can peel it all the way off, even better, because then you can just use the same paper towel whole way through, start to finish. So here we go. We got the wet paper towel that I got. Generously wet it down. Like, I know people are like, oh, what if it's too wet? Don't even worry about that, partner. Soak it. Just make sure it's not sopping, and make like a little pouch for it to live in. Now, there's two ways you can do this. You can put this in a plastic container if you like, or you can put it in a plastic bag, like a Ziploc bag if you like, and seal the Ziploc bag. But before you seal the Ziploc bag, you gotta blow a little bit of air, like just breathe into the bag to fill it a little bit with carbon dioxide, as well as a little bit of humidity and moisture just from your breath. This helps it stay healthy and happy, as well as keep it in a more suitable environment for a seed to germinate altogether. So just like this bag here, as you can see, it still had a little bit of air in it. And you see on this paper towel, the brown on it, that's the fungus mold that I was talking about. And you can help tame this if you wet the paper towel with a mixture of water and hydrogen peroxide, instead of using straight water. And yes, I'm touching this with my bare hands because as a gardener, that's just how we do, y'all. But check this out. This seed in particular is about 34 days old, and this is the sprout that I got from the paper towel method. Seed has popped. That's what's up, and that is how you germinate an avocado seed from the store. If you want to see more videos on how to germinate, plant management, care, or just some general gangsta gardening, hit that subscribe button